Oh, oops, you're there. Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening the video. Guess what? Today I have an opportunity for you. Half an acre lot, a 1 acre lot with a sea view. Ladies and gentlemen, 10 minutes away from Ocho Rios, about 2 minutes away from St. Anne's Bay, and literally 2 minutes away from the nearest beach. Ladies and gentlemen, you also get new roads, new electrical supply, you get piped water, and you get good drains. Ladies and gentlemen, who else is going to bring this opportunity to you? You had better stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. We are inside the Hills of Drax Hall. Those of you following me from this was just bush. Not even the goats could have walked through. Wanna remember? It was just a dream back then. Yes, some of you bought into the dream and you took action. Congratulations! Your name is on a title. I'm telling you, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, no, yes. Just look at you now. But guess what? 3 of you can still take action because I have 3 lots available. Lot 56B, Lot 55, and Lot 55A. So I'm driving up to those lots now. This could be your legacy. This will show all your hard work. I want you to click on the link below and go in the description. You will see the map and you will see the offer form. I want you to complete the offer form right now. Yes, call me right now. 876-292-6776. Do not wait until I get to the lot. Wouldn't you like an opportunity to live in this community? Wow! New roads, new electrical poles. Ladies and gentlemen, you have new drains, you have good sidewalks, and of course you have excellent neighbors, I would imagine. Ladies and gentlemen, showing you a lot that's for sale. Yes, this one came up back for sale, so this might be your opportunity today. Stay with me, don't move. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the Caribbean Sea. Not even out of the car yet. I can see the sea. That's the sea now. Right there. Can you see it? Wow. Wow. What a view. All right. Let's have a look.
Eight 76 292 677666. You want a horse? Link Claudia Davis, man. You want a piece of land? She are the real big woman. Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own horse and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own horse and a van through she. You can own acre land. She tell me pre-smart, pre-better. Get your own damn place so you prefer every. Dear me wife if you sign up letter car. NHT them a reach and setter. Plus me don't get a youth of a member. Me son just on table in December. And she do construction too. She will be the house for you and you get it well rendered. Davis, she are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She now start it and left you there. Me a tell your brother, yes, she well prepared. And if you're meeting a no farmer pangarang, she give you lawyer, brother, clear your fear. She are the best RST agent. She help the need if you stop pay rent. They don't care about mind, them just give me strength by steel and gravel and black and cement out. Now me house that I build up on the high, me a save so me money gone up in the sky from. Me meet Claudia, me say me nah lie bang. Got money and me pocket never giant. Me swear pa me life, say me son him a fi fly so. Hypocrite pagan while we die. No can't stop Claudia Davis, don't try. Every day another house gone. I Miss Davis, she a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here call and Miss D a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here call and yeah man, you know Miss Claudia Davis, pick up yourself. That's a like